To turn on theater mode on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra manually for a specific duration, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find mode and routine. Tap mode and routine. While you are in the mode section, tap theater. Tap turn on manually. And then select 2 hours. As a note, this is the default duration for this mode. If needed, you can adjust the duration. As the example, we will set it to 3 hours. To do so, set the hour to 3 and leave the minute. Tap the back key. Next, tap turn on button. By doing this, theater mode will be turned on immediately and it will turn off after the duration you set is over. In this case, after 3 hours since you turn it on manually. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.